Hello teachers, today I am going to share you how to use annotations during your Zoom online class. Annotation is nothing but to using the various pointers. For that purpose, I need to start the meeting. So I have started the meeting. Once the meeting is started and when you want to share the screen, so there are various facilities available to share the screen like photos, documents, boxes, Google Drive, web URL, etc. etc. To demonstrate the use of annotation, I am going to show you on a website. I am opening a website and then we'll show you how to use the annotations. Once the screen is shared, you will see at the bottom of the screen one pane appears. So there are different symbols. So you can mark by using annotations. You can highlight by using highlighters. You can change the color of highlighters and pens. See, the color has been changed. So these are various annotation facilities. You can use even the highlighter. The pointer convert into the highlight. So in this way you can use various annotations in your share screen to point out something important for the students. When you are sharing any image or any document, you can point out by using annotations. But see, sometimes it happens, even students start using the annotations during your presentations. See, I got a message from a teacher. The students are disturbing her during her sharing screen. So whenever she shared the screen, students started annotations and making disturbance on her screens. Now how to stop it? So friends, all the facilities are not available in the app. You need to log in to the website of Zoom. So go to the website in the browser, find out Zoom website, then you need to log in. Use your regular Zoom ID and password and go to the login page. After login, you will be coming on this screen. So click on the meetings and there you will find another settings. So go into the setting options. Remember, these settings are not available in the app. If you want to do the setting, you have to be in the browser. See, there are certain settings are given. I am not going to explain all of them, but surely about the annotation and sharing screen. But when you log in to this page, you can browse the other options. There are many options which are not available in the app but here on the website. Who can share the screen? So strictly host only. So when you are teaching to the students, so stop sharing for all. Only teacher can share the screen. Now see, annotation option is here. So if you off annotations means now students cannot make you disturb. They cannot make use of any lines or their pens to draw something on your presentation or your diagram, whatever you are sharing. So now, so these are two major settings where you can stop student disturbing your class. One is stopping annotations for the students and stopping sharing the screen for the students. So who can share? Host only means only teacher can share. So by making these two settings, you can protect your class from the mischievous students. Thank you.